All right. Welcome back. It is Monday. It is the 24th of November. Man, Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And welcome back. I'm glad you guys are here. And we're going to talk some more today about a couple of the moves that happened here on Monday and talk to you guys a little bit about what we would expect moving forward. Now, we're going to start out with Australia dollar. We had talked about this in the private client group last night. And basically, what we had looked at was this retracement that had occurred in Australia dollar, and this was right where we had predicted that retracement coming in. And now we've seen the market reverse, and it's come back in up to meet structure support. Now, in the private client group tonight, we're going to talk about this and a couple of other trades because this is a really key trade setup for us here. And so we're going to be watching that. What we would anticipate, guys, is that over the next several days, is the market track down and either retest these lows or potentially go on and set new structure lows. So, we've got nothing on the horizon as far as a trade call on this, but this is probably where the market should terminate is where was what I'm saying, and we should see a rollover here and a press down into close to previous structure support. So we'll keep an eye on that as the days move forward, but again, watch for right here this congestion area, key reversal area on Australia dollar. Looking at a pound yen, as you guys can see, we've been projecting and we've been waiting on this press down into the 127 extension here. 127.1618 confluence, looking left, right up against this 707 area retracement. So not a bad area to be looking to get long on that, and we've been waiting for the market to make a decision as to which way it wants to go. And we watched this roll over, and I can't remember whether I talked about it in the free section or the private client group on Friday. My brain doesn't translate that far back. But looking left, right at key structure, the market has bounced off of that a little bit, and we are still waiting for that projection down into that 127 extension. If and when we do get there, good buying opportunities there. If I go ahead and bring over the free portions list, down there at the bottom of your screen, pound yen is there at a buy at 144.14. That is a pending order. But we'll have to wait and see throughout the rest of the week what it decides to do. USD Canada, guys, this has been our cash cow for the week, for the month, as we've seen, just a major. We caught this thing right at the bottom here, exactly where we anticipated the market was going to reverse. It did, in fact, reverse, and we caught about 400 pips in that direction. And just before that, as we came into November, we had a sell call that yielded another roughly 420 pips of profit. So this has really been, this market has been trending very well, and the ratios have been coming in just as we expected there. We're all flat USD Canada right now, but we did just have a pullback here, and again, that's another thing we're going to talk about in the private client group on the training, on the ratio training. So tonight, that'll be a key indicator, but I wanted to draw your attention to it that we had our target 2s come off at about 107. At about this 618 retracement. And guys, as you can see, that was pretty much the top. These ratios, when combined with structure analysis and a keen eye, have huge implications in your ability to predict what the market is going to do. And we're able to do it, time and time again with, at times uncanny accuracy. So if you guys are at all interested in being part of that, of course, sign up for the private client group. It's very cheap to get your head in the door and kind of see if it's something that you'd be interested in or not. And the feedback that we're getting on it is just outstanding. I couldn't be happier with the feedback on that. Now Euro USD, guys, we had bringing over the list again. Euro USD, we had a buy at 147.56. I'm going to scrap this for right now. So take Euro USD off of your spreadsheet. We're no longer going to track that one. And the reason for that, guys, is this press up today. We had a higher high looking left than the previous high. And now, basically, traders, if I just go ahead and clear off my screen here, we have nothing more than just some general consolidation here, and we're channelizing now. And if I go ahead and bring this down in here, you guys can see that channel that's happening now. Until we break out of that channel and we get a new impulse leg, there's no way to really predict. I mean, this thing could easily blow out the bottom here and come back down and retest support, or we could blow to the upside and make some new structure highs. So at this point, it's just best that we stand aside and that we allow the market to make a new decision, because right now in this congestion, we'd be guessing and gambling, and I don't want to do that with your money. And dollar yen, guys, talk about patience, patience. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and as you've seen, the market here just finding a nice base and then rallying a little bit into this afternoon. The question will be, do we see that continuation, or does the market roll over? As you know, we do have buy orders resting 88.31 on this. So right into this AB equals CD 1-to-1 measured move down into structure support and Fibonacci support. So that is still looking like a good place to get long. The question is, will this thing actually roll over and come down and get us long, or will this thing take off like Euro Pound did earlier this month? I'm going to bring this over one last time and zoom in on it for you who are new to the free portion. I would highly recommend that you just get yourself a little spreadsheet. In fact, I may go ahead and just put an empty spreadsheet into the welcome aboard package that I send out. But for those of you who are coming on now, just make yourself out a little spreadsheet, and as you can see, I just put in the prices and the totals and whether or not we've got pending or active orders. Don't worry about position sizing or CTS score. That's for the private client group only. You just need to worry about, for the free portion, whether or not we're buying or selling and where we're buying or selling at. And that's going to give you a nice running total of where we are. So go ahead and pause the tape if you need to and write that stuff down. Guys, that's really all I've got to talk about for the free portion tonight. There's the market has trended all day today, and we've got some nice things that are getting ready to set up, and it will just be a matter of time before we see something happen, and we may get some entries here before the end of the month. We're running into Thanksgiving here in America. I will be gone Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, as a reminder to you guys. So I will see you back here on the following Monday, and the Forex Boot Camp is going to be kicking off soon, and we're very, very excited about that. So until next time, guys, good luck and good trading.